scary situation to happen, especially during those storms. They're so powerful.
Absolutely. And we were expecting some pretty strong storms out there early on in the work week. Now our weather's quiet. We've got high pressure in control, and it's going to keep us nice and dry and comfortable for the rest of the weekend. Looking at our satellite and radar picture, as you look out to our west in Nebraska, a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for portions of Nebraska up to the Dakotas. But other than that, it's going to be quiet here. High pressure is going to keep us dry and keep the skies clear too. So obviously on live power Doppler, nothing to show you other than a clean sweep of our radar. Hey, mostly clear skies though this evening. That's going to help our temperatures drop into the 60s everywhere. I think we could get to 61 to 65 degrees. Now there may be one, maybe two spots that try to get to the upper 50s. So definitely a cooler start to the morning compared to earlier today. We did get to about 65 degrees in Kansas City. And the afternoon looks just very similar to this afternoon. Highs back in the 80s, middle 80s, generally speaking, anywhere along and north of I-70. Maybe some spots getting into the upper 80s here and there, but a mostly sunny sky, near perfect weather to be going and hanging out by a pool. Here's our forecast track moving ahead through Monday. Not much happening then. Tuesday, there's also going to be a chance for rain, but our models have just been in a complete disagreement with the amount of rainfall, the timing of these next systems. So right now it looks like we'll keep those chances pretty small for us as we head through Tuesday, again on Wednesday, and a few additional chances as we head through late in the work week, which will allow our temperatures to stay closer to normal for this time of year. So there's some good news with that. I think we may be even able to avoid 90-degree temperatures for the next 7 days. Forecast rainfall totals is just an estimate what we could get between now and the next 6 days. By Friday, some areas may pick up to 3/4 of an inch of rain, maybe others a little bit less. Just really depends on where those thunderstorms end up. Meanwhile, in the tropics, we've got two systems to keep a close eye on. One is Grace, a tropical storm right now, and then there's Fred, which was a hurricane, which was a tropical storm at one point. And once it moved over Cuba, it pretty much fell apart a little bit. It's a lot less organized now than what it once was, but it is expected to strengthen as we head through the next few days once it taps into that very warm Gulf waters. So here's a look at the latest statistics for Fred right now. Max sustained gusts or winds up to 35. 45-mile-per-hour gusts. It's moving west-northwest at about 12 miles per hour. All right, here's that latest track from the National Hurricane Center taking Fred through the Gulf Coast. And as you can see, it'll be in the northern Gulf as we head through Monday, possibly making impact to portions of either Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, or the panhandle of Florida. And then it continues moving northward before it takes a sharp curve to the north and east, making little to no impact for us. But the moisture, again, we're going to get that from the Gulf Coast once winds turn out of the south once we head through next week. Security Bank 7-day forecast. You can see those storm chances increasing starting on Tuesday. Greg?